Hello everybody, here is Channel Senior Developer Baby, and we continue tutorials work with Linux environment and directly on Windows. Now here is a directory structure of Linux system, and I want to show you directory structure directly from Windows. Here is File Explorer of Windows, and here is as you see, here appears Linux, and on Linux tab here is different folders. Here is Docker folders, because Docker is also under virtualization. Here is Ubuntu folder and Ubuntu 22.04 version. This Ubuntu, it's first version what I already installed previously, and this Ubuntu 22.04 version, this version is what we install together already. And we can now open this folder and look at the structure. Guys, here is the same folder structure because we are in same place. Here is from Windows File Explorer. Here is from console interface directly. Now we can look at directory and files directly from Windows, and also we can navigate from console interface, like cd means go to directory, cd var, for example, we are in var directory. ls mean list, it's the same. Oh, excuse me. ls is same as list, and ls command gives us list of directory structures, and we need now some additional applications for work with Linux. First of all, we need to update our system repositories, our system directly. It means like Windows updates, it's the same operating system updates. And first of all, here is sudo command, what means super user do. It means like administrator user. It's the same what is administrator user in Windows. Here is a root user, and we can operate with root user when we use sudo command. After sudo command, we can update our operating system, apt-get update, and after update we can install some additional applications. First application, it's a Midnight Commander, what is like File Explorer. Sudo apt-get install mc. mc means Midnight Commander, depends on disk space. Yes, and it's going on. Sudo mc. Yeah, here is application. It's a command line application, but it looks like File Explorer. If you remember, it was a Norton Commander. Looks like a Norton Commander interface. Here we can navigate with a keyboard, or we can navigate with mouse directly. Here is first help. F1 is a help. Here is a F2 menu. From menu we can choose some commands. Else we have view, F3, and view means we can view this for example file log, and for example this file F3, and we can view file directly. It's achievable from Linux. F10 is exist from Midnight, and here we can also read the file with another way. It's I can show you cd var ls. Here is logs, cd log ls. Here is file, for example, which file? Syslog file, for example, and we can write superuser2 and cat, and here is content of a syslog file. But I believe this application is more comfortable for you because it's most practice. And here is also another options. Here is file, or where is view file from menu, and not from shortcuts. Here is many another directives and commands. Here we have commands in another tab, options, configuration. We can configure this application directly from interface, like a graphical user interface. We can configure layout, horizontal or vertical, and it gives us feeling like in graphical operating system, like in desktop system, Windows or maybe Ubuntu desktop. Okay, now left, file and exit.